Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acidify. 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 Acidify is a transitive verb that refers to the action of increasing the acidity of a substance. It can be applied to various contexts, including cooking, chemistry, and environmental discussions. Here are some examples. Example number 1, acid rain is a result of pollutants that acidify the atmosphere. Why acidify is used in example number 1. Acidify is used in discussions of environmental pollution. Example number 2, winemakers control the fermentation process to acidify the wine to their desired taste. Why acidify is used in example number 2. Acidify is discussed in the context of wine production. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.